Hey guys, welcome to the introduction section of OVICX bike. I'm your personal online coach Hao Tao, and this is Knuckle. Today, we're going to show you how to adjust your spinning bike back and forth, higher and lower according to your height, to prevent possible injuries during your rides. 1. Height of back saddle. Stand beside your bank. Keep your saddle in the same level with your hip joint. Or lift your leg while keeping your thigh parallel to the ground. Bend your knee to 90 degrees. Keep the height of the saddle at the same height with your lap. After adjusting the saddle to proper height, tighten the knob. Get on the bike. Place the pedal right under your foot. Place your heel on the pedal. Stretch your leg. And this is the adjustment of the height of saddle. 2. Back or forth of the saddle. Sit tight on your saddle. Hold the handle with both of your hands. Keep the pedals parallel to the ground. The tip of your foot towards the front. Your phalanx bone aligned with the axis of the pedal. Keep your anterior tibia and the axis of pedal on the same vertical line. If they are not on the same vertical line, use the knob to adjust the saddle back and the forth. This is how you adjust the back and forth of your saddle. 3. Height of handle. Now, we're going to show you how to adjust the height of handlebar. If you are new to a spinning bike, adjust the handle a bit higher than saddle. If you are an experienced rider, you can adjust the height to make the line width or a bit lower than saddle. Here is a kind reminder. Pregnant women and people suffering from herniated disc or lumbar muscle strain can use discretion and adjust the handle to a higher position and reduce the intensity of exercise.